Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins mix. First, gather your essential ingredients like flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. You'll also need milk, eggs, and oil or melted butter. Make sure you have a large mixing bowl, a whisk, and measuring cups ready. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for baking success. Now let's combine our dry ingredients. In your large mixing bowl, add the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget to include 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together for about 30 seconds. This step is crucial for ensuring that the leavening agents are evenly distributed throughout the mix. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients and combine them with our dry mix. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Once well combined, pour this wet mixture directly into your bowl of dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so stop as soon as the flour streaks disappear. You now have a versatile muffin mix. You can store this dry mix in an airtight container for up to 3 months. When ready to bake, simply add 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of oil to the mix. Spoon the batter into a greased muffin tin and bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Enjoy your delicious homemade muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.